Hello everyone. Hello guys, how are you? Please confirm, am I audible or not? Come on, say everyone, am I audible? Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Come on guys. Let me check whether I am right on means I'm audible or not. Let me check. Yes, I am. So okay. So hello everyone, how are you guys? This is Agnni Mitrra. So again, this is a predicted paper of SBI PO Pre 2026. So those who are preparing for this exam, they should must watch this session. Okay, as all of you know, we are taking like a lot of sessions. I'm taking a lot of sessions, everyone, just to make you understand and just that you should solve a quality questions. Correct? That you should solve some of the quality questions, because the point is that when you will not solve the quality questions, you will not get anything. Okay, so first of first of all, everyone should watch the quality questions. Correct? I hope all of you are getting my point clear. So before starting the class, i would say I would say that we have banking super elite batch. Means if you want to prepare for a banking exam, and if your preparation starting in this month, so I would recommend all of you to go for banking super elite. Okay, one subscription to Oliveboard banking super elite will change, will make your selection assure. So you can get access to all the courses, 3000 plus live classes, 2000 plus tests, re-attempt test mode enabled, PYPs, and monthly current affairs as well. Secondly, I would say why this is better than the normal course, because everything which is unlimited is in the super elite. Means everything which is unlimited you will find in the super elite. So I would recommend all of you to go for super elite. Is it right? So I would recommend all of you to go for a super elite. Correct? Secondly, I would say, what is today's agenda? So guys, today's agenda is nothing but consistency again, I would say, because I am also lagging behind the consistency. But guys, from today I've started, means if you'll know about my timetable, then I would confirmly say that today I have taken like oath, kind of a oath, that I'll maintain consistency from today. Consistency from today. 100% I'll maintain my consistency, because this is very important, whether in the lifestyle, whether in the study or anything. Lifestyles, likewise, to wake up early in the morning and to study as well. So because students lifestyles matter a lot, students lifestyle matter a lot, so I would go for it. And you can also join the Telegram of Oliveboard if you want to. Let's come and discuss the paper. So guys, I should start the paper now. You have a first question, everyone, please try. You have a first question, guys. I'll give you the time of 2 minutes. Please try out, everybody, and give me that whether it's correct or not. Yeah. Go slowly, slowly, and then solve. Go slowly and then solve. See how you can solve. Then I'll make you solve this. Always remember, consistency is the key to every exam. I would not say only banking exam. I would say consistency in the lifestyle is also very important. So, keeping in mind, can any one of you say hi, hello, and then join? Na? Say hi, hello, and then join. Where are you, everyone? Where is Pooja? Let me ask where she is. Anybody can answer? Can you guys answer this? Nine seconds, 8 seconds we only have. Okay, let us now see. Basically, guys, what is this question? Time up. So basically what this question says we'll discuss now. So let's come here. Rupees X plus 500 is invested in scheme A for 5 years at 10% simple interest. So 5 years, 10% simple interest means, let's say I have this money. First of all, you should understand the formula of simple interest, which is P into R into T by 100. Okay, this is clear. So X plus 500, let me just I would say increase the X plus 500 is getting invested for 5 years at 10%. So this would be 150 by 100, because I'm just talking about 100%. I'm taking that base point. They received amount, then the amount received basically. So this is the amount received, means amount is what? Principal plus the interest. Okay. Okay, fine. The received amount is then invested in another scheme B offering 10% for 2 years compounding. Now guys, you need to understand if I take 100 rupees, I get 10% on it, I would get 110. Again, if I want to increase this 10%, I will get 121. So what is this? This is a cycle of compound interest. This is my principal for the cycle 1 year, and this is my principal for the cycle 2 year. So what is the ultimate change? Ultimate change is of 21%, talking about this is 1 year and this is 1 year, basically 2 years, correct? So basically for 2 years, how much I am getting? So you'll understand from now that for 2 years I am getting, you will understand, my voice is audible now. You'll understand from now that, so for 2 years, basically you will get what? For 2 years, you will get 21%, correct? Which is 150 multiplied by 21%. Okay. Now they are saying that interest received from scheme B was this much, means interest received from scheme B was this much. So basically this is equal to 3780, correct? This goes 0 0, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 6s are 18, 0. Now can we say anything? 21 21, I would say 3 times and 6 times, 63, correct? That would go in 63 times. That would 60 times, okay, 60 times, correct? Sorry, 60 times. Now, the value of x, so this would be x plus 500 would be equal to 12,000. From here, the value of x would be equal to 11,500. This is your answer, correct? Come on, say. So they have said to figure it out the value of x, and from here what I can get the value of x is basically 11,500. I hope everyone got this. Please comment. Now you can ask me one question, sir, how you have taken this is the amount, because see guys, because let me make you understand one thing. If you have 100 rupees, correct, and if you're getting like 50%, 10% for, what is mentioned here, 5 years for 10%, then interest would be 50, correct? 5 years for 5 years, 10%, then the interest would be 5 tens of 50. This is your interest, okay? When you'll add your principal, it will become amount. So basically it becomes what, 150, no? That's why here I have taken that value 150. Everyone please understand what I'm saying. That's why this is this point. At this point I have taken this point, I have taken this as a 150%. I hope this is clear to all of you. Okay, fine. Let me just go for it. Come on, try this question. Please guys, try. Come on, try. Come on, try. It is a very good question, by the way. Come on, try this. Any one of you have done? No one? Guys, at least I would say to try. Okay, you don't even try now. That is very problematic. So at least I would say to all of you to try at least this question. This is good question, everyone. So you should at least try out. Stay with me and try the question now. The monthly salary of a person is 30,000. Okay. So I would write down the monthly salary is basically 30,000. He spent A% on rent. So he spent A% on rent. Okay, fine. Then he is spent A plus 5%. A plus 5% on EMI. EMI. From the remaining, he spent 45% on education. Remaining is 45% education. 45% on education, and remaining would be, I would say that 55% he saves, right? Let's say he saves. Okay, so this is the basically diagram. This is how we can understand the problem, right? Basically, this is the problem only. Okay, fine. Suppose, guys, if I take this whole value as an 100%, suppose I am taking this value as an 100%, then I would say they are saying that find the amount spent on rent is equal to, okay, spent on education. Okay, spent on education. 45% is on education. So this is education. So they are saying that difference between this and this, correct? So basically, guys, I need to figure it out the difference between this and this. Firstly, I need to figure it out the value of what? A. Then only I can like find out. Firstly, I need to figure it out the value of A. So how can I figure it out that value? Come on. Anyone can say that. Come on, say. How can I go? So this would be, this portion is what? This portion. If I talk about what is this portion? Try to please focus. What is this portion? See, this portion is 5% plus 2A. Can I say that this portion is 95% minus ka 2A? Correct? Yes or no? Come on, say yes or no. I hope you guys are getting this. Come on, because from 100% I get 95% minus 2A. If you get this value, then they are saying that amount spent, they are saying that if amount spent on rent is equal to the amount spent on the education, rent, can I say this is basically guys, try to understand that A, because percent, this is also whole percent will cancel out. A is equal to 95 minus 2A. Of this, I need to figure it out the 45%, because from this remaining I have 45% on education only. Correct? I hope you understood this, everybody. This goes 9 times, this goes 20 times. Make sense or not? Make sense or not? Okay. 20A, now you need to calculate the value of A. If you calculate the value of A, you will get what? Let's see. 20A is equal to 95 multiplied by 9 minus 18A. Correct? So, okay. So, from here the value of A is 45 by 2. Please see that the value of A is 45 by 2. Is it right? The value of A is 45 by 2 because 38 will become 38A equals to 95 minus 6. Okay. Because see guys, it will be like that, na? 38A would be equal to 95 multiplied by 9. 19 2 ja, 19 5 ja. So A would be equal to 45 by 2. Make sense, everyone? Yes. Now they are saying, now see, if you figure it out the value of A, now they are saying that if amount spent on rent is equal to, find the amount spent on EMI. EMI is basically A plus 5%. So EMI is basically A plus 5% means 45 by 2 plus 5 means we have options as well. No, means 27.5%, means this is 27.5%. So I need to figure it out, the 27.5% of 3000, correct? 20% would be 6003. 30,000, 20% would be 0, 0, 0, 0. 3 2 just 6, 6, 1, 2, 3. Then 20% is 6000. 5% 3000. It will be around how much? 8250. 8250. Your answer would be 8250. Please say understood or not. Come on, say. Come on, say. Everyone. Is it right? I hope you understood. So I only figure it out the 20% and I got my approximately value. So 5% would be 1500, correct? If you add 1500, you will reach 75,000. Sorry, 7,500. This cannot be your answer. This cannot be your answer. Possible value is this one, because you need to figure it out the 7.5% more. 0.75% or 7.5%, which is approximately, I would say, 1200. This is clear to all of you? A very good question, I would say. A very good question, I would say. Say yes or no. At least comment, everyone. You don't even comment as well. Okay, come on, try this. Try this. I think you guys can answer. This is pretty easy question. I think you guys can answer. This is pretty easy question, everyone. Pretty easy, I would say. Okay, let's try. How can we try? A plus B plus C has total 60 toffees with them. So A plus B, don't write down plus, let's say only write in terms of A, B and C. A, B and C, total chocolate is 60, correct. A has 25 toffees. A is having 25. Okay, fine. Then the number of toffees which, so can you apply the logic from here? How can you go for it? Okay, they are all, okay. Now come on. So see, can I also say that? Let's understand. 15. Okay, that's very good. So see, can I also understand from here that if A is 25, the remaining of this would be 35. Okay. And C is 5 less. They're saying C is 5 less. Am I making sense? C is 5 less than that of B. The combination would be what? Come on, say. Can I say if this becomes, let's say I can make it like if C becomes 30, C becomes 30, then B would become how much? 20. Is it right? Because if whole is 35, then I need to make it, then this will become what? This will become 25, no? C is 5 less. So C is 5 less, then please wait, please wait, please wait. I have done something wrong. C is 5 less. So if B is 30, this would become 25. Make sense? 5 less. What is the chocolates they have? 30 plus 20, 25, 75, 15. So how many toffees should be added with C so that 15 you should add, then only the ratio will become 5:4:6. I hope this is easy question, guys. Easy, easy. Means there were a lot of way of solving this question. This should also, see, it's up to you. You can also take this value as 25, 20 and 30. This would become, again this would become what? 75. Okay, and this is also correct. This was easy question, so I would not say to solve. Don't waste your time. Let's go solve this. Okay. See, you can solve this or not. Try. Easy. This is easy. Please solve, everybody. That's very good. Means you guys have solved the question less than 2 minutes, no? You have solved the question in less than 2 minutes. That's very good. Let's see. What we know before solving this question, we should know that speed equals to distance by time. Now, they are itself saying in the question the time taken by train A whose length is d meters to cross a bridge of 300. So, total distance of train A is d plus 300 and the time taken is t. Now is equal to the time taken by train B of length d plus 200 to cross a platform of 500 meters. So 500 plus 200 becomes again d plus 700 by t. If this is train B, now if the speed ratio is given, which is already given 5:9, so I can say what? I can say 5 is equal to d by 3, d plus 300 by t, and then 9 would be equal to d plus 700 by d by t. This t would get equal. Correct? Yes or no? Then this will become d plus 300 by 5 is equal to d plus 700 by 9. So this will become 9d. I'll solve here. This will become 9d plus 1800 is equal to 5d plus 35. Correct? I hope this is clear. This would be 27, no? 27. So from here, can I say 4d would be equal to 800 and d would be equal to 200. Find the value of d in meters, which is 200. I hope this was easy question as all of you have solved as well. Let's go for next. Come on. Can we solve? Let's see. Hello Vamsi, how are you? A and B invested in 2x and 2400 in a scheme at simple interest 8%. The investment of B is 1 year more. Then there's investment of A and the ratio. Okay. Okay, Vamsi, that's great. Having stopwatch. Try, come on. It's fine now. Okay, I think, guys, I'll always give you time of 2 minutes, not more than that. No one, no one, no one. Okay. Let me do this. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. So, pause. Okay, first of all, try to understand what this question is saying. A and B invested rupees 2x. So, A invested, can I say A invested 2x and B invested 2400, and it is for 8%, let's say for n years, correct? Let's say for x years, say for x years. The investment time of B is 1 year more than the investment time of A. This is also getting invested at 8%, but this should be x plus 1 years. And if you'll understand, basically, the ratio of this A and B is 4/29. Now, guys, there is one problem. There is one problem in this question. We are having two variables. One variable contains x, this x. Other variable also contains this x. Can we find it out? Or one more thing I would recommend. One more thing I would recommend. You know what? You know what? What can you say? One more thing I would recommend, that the answer to this question cannot be determined. You know, the answer to this question is C and D, because the variables are not mentioned. See, if you read it, in scheme at 8%, the investment time of B is 1 more than the investment time of A. The ratio of interest received is 4/29. So this is the interest received. You cannot calculate the value of x from here. So the answer would be C and D. I hope you understood. Come on, say. These things are very important. Understood that why the answer is C and D? Every one of you should understand this. Okay. Can you? It's a quantity comparison. Tomorrow. You are talking about YouTube, na? You are talking about YouTube, na? Sanat Hemram. If you are talking about YouTube, it is tomorrow. Tomorrow, कल ही है. तो द होगा ना. कल ही है. The speed of the train is 180 and it can cross a pole in 4 seconds. Traveling in same direction, train A can cross a man still sitting inside train B in 10 seconds. Speed of train B. Yes. Can I say speed of train B is 30? Directly I am saying, guys, come on. And this is also you are getting 30. So without calculation, I am giving you this answer. Quantity, they are both are equal. Please calculate. I would give you this as an homework, that what kind of logic I have used to answer this question in seconds. What logic I have used in this question to answer the question in seconds, okay? Because I need to complete the series, guys, so that's why. Can you do this? Easy, come on, solve. Come on, guys, calculate mentally. Can we calculate this mentally? Come on. If I would say 100, the interest would be 125 years. Can I say total interest is basically 160? Say fast. Here the amount, if I take amount for the first case is 160 by 100 because it's going in the simple interest. Come on, say. Do it fast, everyone. Again, I am saying, see, amount for the first, can I say it is 160 by 100? And for this, you are saying that 20% for 2 years, then this would be 44%. Come on, say. And this is equal to 1056. Basically, this would be 160x by 100 multiplied by 44 by 100 is equal to 1056. You need to calculate the value of x from here. Can you calculate? 0, 0, 2, 2, 50 and 8, 25, 11, 5, the value of x is 1500. Correct? This question contains this much logic only. Only this much logic, not more than that. I hope you guys are enjoying. Please increase your speed. This amount came from simple interest. This amount becomes principal for compound interest. That's it. Understood, everyone? This would be again homework I would give you. This is again homework I'm giving you all. Very good, very easy question on partnership. Very easy question on partnership. Topic is partnership. Topic is partnership. So you can try this also. So we almost I think we have done all the questions. I think we have done all the questions. This is also you can take one of the homework. Okay. This is also you can take one of the homework for sake of convenience. Assume, always assume CP, let's say 500, SP 1000. See, the ratio is maintained 1:2, correct? MRP, according to the question, 1200 because 700 more, correct? Now you are increasing some of the values. This becomes 600, this becomes 1100. Mark price remains the same. They are asking what? Difference of profit, and so from here the difference of profit is 500, and from here the difference is how much? 100. So difference of profit and discount is 400. Easy one. Solve. See, this is the logics which I am using it. So just I have maintained the ratio A:2A. That's it. Nothing more than that. Okay. And you can maintain the ratio, guys, and you can answer any of the question. Correct? So I hope everyone you enjoyed the class. Bamsi. Guys, if you want any session, if you want any session, if you have like problem in any of the topic, let's say you have a problem in TSD, please comment in the comment section. Do comment. I'll take that topic next day or in the coming week. Okay. Any session, if you are having problem in any topic, if having problem in any topic, please comment. Please comment. Okay. I will be taking that session. Till then, bye bye guys. Take care. Shining off, Agnni Mitrra. Keep shining and keep learning. Bye. No, yet not done, but if you want, I'll do the class on mensuration, okay? And give a pledge. Bye bye guys.